Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Miss Lola Cakes, and for those of you that are new here, you can find everything from fashion, luxury, travel, lifestyle, you name it, you can find it here on my channel. For those of you that came back this week and watched another one of my videos, I am so thankful for you all, and thank you again for coming back to watching this week's video. So this week I have something for you guys. So I was on Instagram when I was on my way to LA, and I saw this bag and I was like, oh my gosh, I need that bag. Talk about staple piece to my wardrobe, pop of color to my wardrobe, how it would match my little ensemble I have on today so perfectly. Y'all, I have to show you, I'm going to try to show you from my phone the photo that I seen of this bag, and I honestly was scared because I didn't know if the color was going to be as rich as the photo as in person, but when the bag came, it was so rich. And I'm just going to drop it like now. So the bag that I am referring to is a Kurt Geiger bag. His bags are amazing. Like, you can see the Kurt Geiger that is like the rainbow metallic, gorgeous. I actually remember his bags from when I used to work in Lord & Taylor in Columbia, Maryland, and I used to go to the bag collection and be like, oh my gosh, this is so cute, you know. And then I saw his bag, well, his store in the Heathrow airport in London on my layover on my way to South Africa. I wanted to buy a bag then, but it's like, do I buy the bag now because I have to come back to London, but now I gotta go to South Africa? So it was kind of like a logistics thing for me on why I did not purchase it. But this baby, first of all, I'm going to show you the bag first, and then I'm going to show you the photo. And I might actually have to put the photo like right here to like show you guys what it actually looked like. So in the video, not in the video, but in the photo, when you see the photo, you're going to see the lady had on a polka dot shirt. She had on like a white button down and had the sleeves coming, you know, out. It was actually a sweater she had on, and she had on khaki pants. I don't know what color shoes she had on because literally all I saw was the bag. So I don't know what size the bag is in the photo. It looks kind of small, but when I tell you, it came in the mail. Y'all ready? Look at this bag. You can wear it basically here, or you can wear it as a shoulder bag. Like, look at the color. Look at the color. Look at the color. And when I mean to tell you that the bag is just as vibrant it is in the photo, you see it has like the little emblem here. Then you open it up and it has two buttons right here, and the bag is huge on the inside. Obviously I just got it and I have not worn it, but it is huge, and it has the Kurt Geiger right here in gold lettering, and it says Kurt Geiger London, I am leather. Ooh, soft butter leather at that. She's huge. I'm gonna take some of this stuff out so I can like fully show you guys, but look at how deep the inside is. So this bag retails for $2.95. I purchased it at Nordstrom Rack online, and I had a $20 Nordy note, so I used my $20 Nordy note towards it. So online it said $195. On the tag here it says $184.97. Well, I got it for $170, And this is the extra large bag. So this is the big boy. This is like a, I'm gonna compare it to Chanel. Like, this is a big boy Chanel bag. Well, not necessarily. No, I wouldn't say big boy Chanel. Definitely not in comparison. But this bag is huge, okay? And it sits so well with my outfit. I have on a orange lip with a brown liner, yellow feathery earrings, plain polka dot shirt. This is super cute. It's so rich, oh my goodness. And it came with the Kurt Geiger dust bag here, and I'm definitely keeping her in there because she is so soft. Also, to just get into the detail of the bag, the hardware is not heavy hardware. It's like a light metal hardware, and it also has Kurt Geiger basically right in here in the middle where you can see around the rim. And when I mean to tell y'all, oh my gosh, gorgeous. Now let me show you all the photo that I saw on Instagram, and I had to get it. Let's see if it's gonna go. Is it? Ooh, maybe. This is, it's not gonna go because of my ring light, so I'm basically going to post it right here. But when you see this photo, y'all, the bag is fire. When I was scrolling on my timeline, all I saw was the color. So at that point, I was like, I need this bag. And as soon as I saw the little, I want to say this is like an owl or a bird's head right here, I already knew it was Kurt Geiger. And I was like, it's mine. I'm gonna find it. This is literally, she's everything. Like, look at this outfit. Like, I can fit my life in this bag. I want to even say I could fit my MacBook Pro in this bag and keep it moving and call it a day with everything else I need. So this is kind of like, I guess you want to say, my Kurt Geiger unboxing type video. You know, definitely an affordable bag because they do sell them at Nordstrom Rack a lot. So definitely check Nordstrom Rack, but also check your local Nordstrom Racks. They have them for very reasonable prices, especially here in like the Sterling area. I want to say Reston, Sterling area. I went to a Nordstrom Rack and they had tons of Kurt Geiger bags. Just none for my forte, but this one, yes. Oh, also Nordstrom sells them too. Nordstrom. So if you're balling on a budget and you want to be on the budget friendly side, check Nordstrom Rack. She was a steal because I didn't have to pay full price for her, and I'm so excited. And she just looks so good with my outfit. Like, amazing. Also, let me show you the dust bag. It did come in a dust bag. This is the dust bag. Nothing fancy really, but she will live in here mostly when she's not being used. And that's all for this week's video, guys. Thank you again. I'm gonna call this an unboxing video. I'm just gonna call this an unboxing. It's just a Kurt Geiger unboxing. Affordable handbags. That's what this month is about. Affordable. Styling, affordable, and bowling on a budget. So thank you guys for coming and watching me again this week. Again, if you're new here and you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, hit the bell to turn on notifications so you know when I'm uploading new videos, and you're getting all the latest fashion, affordable, luxury on a budget, all of that good stuff. Yeah, and I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.